Hey nerd, cryptography is a technique of encrypting data and make it in a hash or non-readable form. So in today's video we are going to divide into two segments. First, how to do the basic cryptography and how to use two tools for decoding the hash. So for your live first cryptography, we will go to a site called cybersecurity. Here we will open the site and let it to be loaded. As you can see the interface, it has input box, output box and a slider containing all the operation. So we are going to do some basic cryptography. So first we are going to type some text in it. So let me type my viewers are dumb, and over here let me grab 2 base 64. So it will encode it into base 64. So let me copy this out and open a new tab for decoding it. So I will going to open that same site over here. Now as you can see I have pasted this and I will take it from base 64 and you can see it has reverted the text to my viewers are dumb. Let me try some another thing. So we are going to use ROT47. It's a method of cipher that will rotate our text by 47. So we are going to copy this text and gonna to paste here. Let me stop it and again put the ROT 47. So it will rotate it 47 times again. And here you can see it is again decoded. So let me try other variant by doing the base 64 then ROT 7. So for decoding it, we have to do again ROT 47 and then base 64. Then it will be decoded. So it will turn out to be harder to decode it if we put in the multiple layers of format. So here you can see it is decoded now also. Now as have you seen that how it works, let me move to dehashing. So we are going to use tools like John the Ripper. You can see there is a hash present in my folder called hash. So I am going to copy it and using first and site called crack station. It is a beginner method, beginner can use it, but it is not as much effective as a tool can. So let me paste the hash and click on I am not a robot. There you can see crack hash and it has cracked successfully. The text is meow and it is MD5. So you can see all of this. Green is found, yellow is partial found and red is not good. So let me move to our terminal and use tools like John the Ripper and Hashcat. First we are going to use John the Ripper. Before that we have to install a tool called name the hash. So for that we are using pipx install name that hash. So there is a typo, so I am going to type the with the dat. So let me install it. Let me close the tab first. Yeah, so you can install it like this using pipx in Kali machine. So it is already installed in my PC, so it will not again install. So we are going to use it by mnth and then let's search for help, and here you can see it has file option and text option. So we are going to use file option. So for that we are going to type -f and give our hash, and here you can see it has provided what hash it is and along with the code of Hashcat and John the Ripper. So on the another tab, let me come over here, and on the another tab let me use the John the Ripper for cracking it. So for that we are going to type John and going to give our word list. So I am going to use roq.txt because it contains a lot of password. For that we are going to type dash word list equal to and our word list file path. If you don't know how to install the roq.txt, you can search for it in Google or the YouTube. So let me type for format. So we are going to give raw MD5 format as that to list it. So we are going to give our file directory, and it has also cracked it, and it is meow. So as you can see, this tool and crack station cracked it both. So let's use hashcat. So for that, let me open a new terminal and we'll type here hashcat and search for help. So here you can see it shows how to use the word list one. So we are going to type hashcat. Then for the word list attack, we are going to type -a and 0. And for the format, we are going to get it from here, which is 0 only. So for that, we are going to type -m and 0. So, and let me provide first our hash file and then the directory of our word list, or the part of our word list. So as you can see, it is going to crack it. So here you can see it successfully cracked that it is meow. Here you can see that along with the hash. So in the today video, I think this is enough, and I have discussed all the methods that password cracking can be applied to password cracking. So if you see, all tools have pretty much recorded it. So thank you for seeing this video. Be a nice civilian and have a nice day. Goodbye.